This owner noticed something funny. Every time she yawned, her aloof cat would stop, stare, and let out a big, slow yawn of his own. She tested it with a fake yawn. At first, nothing. She tried again, and he yawned right back. If you think this cat is cute, like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, that means you hate kittens. Comment heart to show your love. She tried it on her other cat. A confused look, and then a yawn. She discovered contagious yawning is a real sign of empathy and a close bond. Cats have been observed to yawn in response to seeing humans yawn, a phenomenon known as contagious yawning. If your cat yawns with you, leave a like.